So here is the bumper. Just got it back from Robby. Looking super mint. Just a reminder, it is painted. He color matched it to the wrap color. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and put the fog lights back in and a fog light cover grille, and this thing should be pretty much good to go. Alright, and the bumper is all put together. Fog lights pre-assembled. I've noticed I have a little harness coming out from the fog light. That's because the fog light bulbs are different on the 05 to 07, on the 08 to 09 or REV D through F models, or it's a different fog light bulb. So the connectors are different. Luckily, as you can see what I did, I just spliced the original connector to the fog light, you know, from there. So luckily I had that connection. I'll put the original bulb number from that to the adapter, but yeah, so that's what that is. Leave that. Leave that cord in there, trick, part. My bumper looks good. Yeah, I hope, like I said, because from the newer model, so 05, 07 is this body style, but then from 08 to 09 they had the headlight change where it kind of went up a little bit. And that's why I had this part came up, the piece that came up like that. And that's the part I cut off, but I don't know, hopefully it won't hit too much, we can get it. Good. My buddy wanted to see it, so I was like, oh shit, I forgot I just found out.
You like it though?
Oh, yeah, it was good. I think you like it. I said I think you would like it. Did you see Hobbs and Shaw?
I don't remember if I think I started to watch it.
Yeah.
I don't know, I didn't really finish it.
Right. Didn't keep your interest that much.
I guess not.
Yeah. Ugh. Oh, little foggies.
Yeah.
Actually, you could disconnect it from the white piece.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the part that I have connects into that. Hopefully they work still. This guy has good glove work. Need a flathead, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here. Let's go for that head. Sick, nasty. Plug the thing. Plug the fog lights in. Yeah, I made this harness before because I had HIDs. So that was like the easiest way to get this on.
Right?
Yeah. Oh god. Fingers crossed. This lines up alright. Oh, nice lines up here. And lines up over there. Yeah, lined up pretty good over here, I think.
Yeah.
How about you?
I think I just gotta pull this like tab down.
I'm gonna try to put this pushing in. Just hold this side in.
Is this tab supposed to like go through? I think it is supposed to go through this.
Hold on. Yeah, I mean, that's like I said, I added that as extra. I have the tabs and the little mounting holes up here.
Okay.
So it fits pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing's hitting?
Looks good.
Yeah, baby! Fucking Grille snaps right in, bro. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, a guy in Canada, he was gonna buy my bumper. But then he's like, he's probably gonna go the route that I went and do a conversion, because he got for like $1,400.
Cut the wheel over. I feel like it would probably make it easier.
Out or in?
Cut it over to
driver's side?
Yeah.
Alright. I forgot I could air the car up more.
There we go.
Yeah, that's fine. That's probably because up here. See what's hitting? That's probably why it's doing that. I'm not worried about it. That's fine. That pop it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it hit much on this side at all. It's just that side, little, it's high. Let's see, it looked like far away. Chit. Are the kids don't have school today either?
Kai doesn't. So we're off to, well, I'm sure you went to MLK.
Yeah. I was like,
Nice.
well, that's the first year that they did it this year. They usually don't have off. But this is new for Anne Arundel. Damn, what? Solid. Hey. Oh. That's what I was thinking. Alright, I'm gonna back to see what she looks like. I'll make another video, like the RSX video, but just like more like a modern. Something like that. Modern video. Where do I put the keys? Man!
thought I had the keys, but I don't have the keys. Some car. Man. Stop doing that.
See it? Let me call.
Where else could it be?
I'm calling it.
How can you call my car keys?
I thought you were looking for your phone. I'm calling it your car key.
Why would I put it anywhere else? Yo, this is stupid.
It's on your bed. Thanks.
Okay.
I wonder if we could get under that bumper and just get something to keep it in place, you know? It's only that side, too. Huh? It's like a self-tapper. Somewhere like where it keeps popping out. No? Yeah. Yeah, where it keeps popping out. Yeah. Out, bro. I'd rather do something you'll be able to see. Huh? Yeah, back next to the TSX. Mm-mm.